Most home cooks love using copper-clad cookware because the copper conducts and transfers heat really well. The problem is that copper has a tendency to stain over time. Here's a quick way to clean up a pot so it looks as good as new. First of all, take a skillet and add some white distilled vinegar, probably about a ½ inch or more. Sprinkle in a good amount of salt and turn on the heat underneath it. Wait till it gets just to the point of boiling, which is where we are right now. Then turn it off and set the pot in there. Now, the pot's empty so it'll float, so what you need to do is add some water, just as ballast, just to hold it down. There you go. Now we're gonna let that set for about 10 minutes and we're gonna come back and clean it up. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes now. We're gonna take it out of the vinegar, dump out the water, and take a look. Well, there you go, look at that. Without even scrubbing it, I was gonna take a little scouring pad and see if I needed to scrub off any of the staining, but it's already almost brand new. That's just from sitting in the vinegar for 10 minutes. Now, if you take it out and you see there's still some staining left, what I'd suggest is dip the sponge, a scouring sponge, in the vinegar, put a little salt on it, and that'll act as an abrasive to really scrub the pot completely clean, and again, it'll be as good as new.